As part of my assignment requirement, I have to show a demo about my application, and that was done in Bluemix. So this is my Bluemix account. As you can see, my application is hosted here, and there is also a Node-RED application. Sorry. Yeah, this is my application, and this is my Node-RED link. I also got services related to it, which are geospatial analytic, the IoT truck service, and IoT truck Node-RED service, and I also got IoT truck Node-RED cloud NoSQL DB as well, required for this application. Uh, this application uh, doesn't work on HTTPS, so I have to browse it with HTTP. As you can see, we have 6 trucks and 4 different regions as per the assignment requirement. As you can see, the each trucks entering and exiting will show the notification, and this is my Node-RED dashboard. I got 4 different flows. The first flow will describe the current location of each trucks. Let us deploy and activate. As you can see, we have getting various truck locations, the latitude, longitude, and the heading to informations. I'll just stop it for now. And our next is the for counting the total number of trucks. As you can see, we have messages coming out in our debug panel. Like you can see there, each region shows different number of trucks in each regions. Yes. So the next is for the let's stop it this one. The next one is for the truck time, calculating the truck time and the state of the truck. We'll just start it now. As you can see, for this truck should enter and exit, so that after that it will calculate the total time and the state of the truck. So we can leave it this for a while and move on to the next flow. So this is for the Twitter notification. Our speed limit is set to 50 there, so all of our truck movement have the speed of around 30. So we'll change one vehicle to above 50. Let's suppose truck 2 truck, we will increase it to 60. Okay, now let's, as you can see, we have messages coming because the truck 2 has reached violated the speed limit, which is 50. So we will stop the debug and change this to default value. So for this I've also tried it earlier. No, I have not connected the Twitter because it will show many notifications to my Twitter account. This is uh, added to my Twitter account. For this earlier I tried once, and you can see here my Twitter account. uh, Notification was posted in my Twitter account saying truck 2 speed is above 60, about 60. So the notification works. So for this one, we will wait a bit and come back again to show. Welcome back. uh, Now this truck was in this region and moved back to the other region. So here the truck recorded the total time. As you can see here, truck 101 stayed in the region for 1 hour 40 minutes, and it's in a loaded state. So this is it, the applications that records the telemetry using geospatial analysis, and analysis was done using Node-RED of IBM Bluemix. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.